Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how to download TIA Portal from Siemens. I will leave a link to the website in the description. Before we can download we need a registered account on the website. Note that it can take up to 48 hours to get your account registered on the website before it gets accepted. Next we want to search for step 7 in the search bar. Then we will find Step 7 TIA Portal version 19. If we click on it and scroll down a bit we will find the ISO file to download. Just download it and put in a suitable map. Now to start the download we simply open up the TIA Portal ISO file. Then we click on Start. Then just follow the instructions. Don't be stupid like me and make sure you have enough disk space to download it. I didn't have enough so I had to restart the download. It requires about 14 GB of free disk space. The installation can take quite some time. Once the installation is done it will ask us to restart the computer. Once the computer is booted up again we can start TIA Portal. When we add a CPU to our project it will start our trial license. If we open up the license manager we can see that it activated our license. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video give it a thumbs up and subscribe.